Hello student, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior. This is fourth part of video lecture for class 7, History, Chapter 6, Town, Traders and Craft Persons. Students, today we are going to study about Surat. We will see in 17th century how important this city was, and we will also see how this city declined after declination of Mughal. Student, Surat was emporium for trade along with Khambat and later on Ahmedabad. Student, emporium means what? Emporium means the place where articles or things were brought from diverse production centers and sold. Surat was also gateway for trade with West Asia via Gulf of Hormuz. This was also called Gate to Makkah. Why? Because pilgrims set their ship off with this city, from this city to Makkah. Student, this city was called cosmopolitan city. Why? Because people from all caste and creed, from all religion, live in this city. Portuguese, Dutch and English had their warehouses in these cities. Student, a chronicler Ovington has written in his account in 1689 that anyone can see hundreds of ships in the port in the city of Europe. Student, this city was very famous for zari work. Textile industries flourished here. Traders come here for sell their things and to buy textile, cotton textile. This was very famous for cotton textile. Rich merchants had built rest houses for the traders who visit Surat. They made all the things for the pleasure of businessmen or traders. There were so many buildings and pleasure parks. Student, you will be amazed to know that Kathiawar Mahajan regulate their banking system in Surat. And their hundi means what? All of you are familiar with check. Hundi was just like check. A written note was given to person, and that was honored in Cairo in Egypt, Basra in Iraq, and Antwerp in Belgium. Hundi produced by Kathiawar Seth or Mahajan were honored in these cities. Means if you will show the note given by Kathiawar Seth in this city, you will be given cash. Student, no doubt this city was very busy city. Traders from all European countries come here. But in 17th century, after declination of Mughals, this city was also declined. Cause of declination of the city was one more, and that is control over sea route of Portuguese. Portuguese were competitor of British, and as British controlled the sea route, British changed their business city to Bombay. Gradually, this city was de-urbanized, but at present day, this city is very well-known commercial city. Textile industry is flourished in this city, and this city is very much populous city. That's all. Have a nice day. Stay at home to fight with Corona.